Hello everyone and welcome back to the Preserving Cinema channel, and today I'm going to be unboxing another 4K exclusive Best Buy collectible Steelbook, and today it's going to be for Captain America Winter Soldier. Here we have the front. And we have the spine here. Here we have the special features on the Blu-ray, and it says also bonus extras as well. Okay, let's go ahead and open this up. Got some glue dots on the back here. These ones are on there too. Those ones are really on there. Come on. There we go. All right. There we go. I got the back, here's the front. Okay, let me open this up, get the digital code out. Got the 4K on the top here, and we have the Blu-ray on the bottom. Okay, so there we go. The Best Buy exclusive 4K collectible Steelbook. And that will do it for me, guys. If you could give this video a like, I would appreciate it. Until next time, take care.